In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off international shipping in Etsy. If you've been getting orders from outside your home country and you'd prefer to keep your shipping domestic, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to update your shipping profile so only buyers in your country can check out. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the main Etsy link in the results to go to the site's homepage. Once you're there, sign in to your account using your usual credentials so you can access your shop tools. After you're signed in, head to your shop manager. This is your seller dashboard, and it's where all your shop settings live. From the left-hand menu, click Settings, then choose Shipping Settings. This is the area where Etsy stores your shipping profiles, which are templates that control where you ship and how much you charge. Any listings tied to a profile will inherit the changes you make here. On the Shipping Profiles tab, find the specific profile you want to change. Many shops have multiple profiles, like standard, expedited, or free shipping, so make sure you pick the one your listings use. Click the pencil icon next to that profile to open it for editing. Scroll down to the section labeled Shipping Prices, or What Countries Will You Ship To. The wording may vary slightly depending on your layout, but the options are the same. This is where Etsy lists your available destinations and rates. Look for an entry called Everywhere Else. This option allows buyers from any country not explicitly listed to see a shipping rate. To disable international shipping, remove Everywhere Else by clicking the trash can icon next to it. That single change closes the door to all unlisted countries. If you've previously added specific international destinations, such as the United Kingdom or Canada, delete those individually by clicking the trash can or delete button next to each one. When you're done, your destination list should no longer include any countries outside your own. Your domestic destination will remain so local buyers can still check out normally. When everything looks right, scroll to the bottom and click Save Profile. This applies the update to all listings using that profile, so international buyers will no longer see shipping options for those items. Keep in mind that processing times, handling, and your domestic rates remain the same. You're simply removing international destinations. If you use multiple shipping profiles, be aware that only the profile you edited is affected. That's it. Your shop is now set to domestic shipping only. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped streamline your Etsy setup.